Hello and welcome to RecurrPay. I am Shlok Jagtap and I will be demonstrating you the working demo of RecurrPay. So let's see what is our goal and how exactly we are solving a main problem in the current payroll system. So traditional payroll systems are slow, error prone, and struggle with global payments. So we leverage fuels, low transaction cost, and high throughput and 24/7 availability for making cross-border payroll systems. And we are streamlining payroll with automated secure blockchain payments using Fuel. So let's see what are the problems in current payroll systems. So the recurring payment means managing recurring payment is complex and time consuming. Delays and missed payments affect employees and contractors. And another problem is error prone manual currency conversions. Lacking of timely notifications leads to poor financial planning. So now let's see how RecurrPay exactly solves all these issues. So RecurrPay is an automated payment partner. Flexible payment, seamless conversions, automates every payment for employees, grantees, and contractors. Provides timely notification for beneficial and better financial management for the users. We support transactions in any tokens. We have literally support for every native token or any custom token. You just have to upload your address and we can make payments for you. So moving on further, this is how our UI will look like. Moving on further, this is the architecture of our project. So we have two entities in our payroll system. One is the employee and one is the organization. So the flow will be like when the employee registers on the sign up page, he'll just basically provide his address and few details which organization cannot see, and the organization can just have to list themselves on our platform, and we give them a smooth integrations support. So like just organization needs to find user they are looking for, and they just select the currency and select the type of payment, recurring or one time, and then send the payments using our platform. So moving on further, I'll just demonstrate the demo. So before moving to demo, I'll just like to show you the playground of Sway, in which we have written our smart contract for making the payrolls. So we have deposit fund using which we can just deposit funds into our smart contract, which then on behalf of us sends payment to the user. So this gives us the contract balance. This gives us the transfer function, and we are setting up the recurring payments using this function, and we just run cron jobs to process the recurring payments. So I'll just show you. This is our dashboard, which gives us overall idea about what we do. So we have two entities as a customer or employee and the organization. So in this tab, I'll just open the customer login, and in this tab, I'll just open the organization login. So we already have these all these pre-filled values, which is name, email, and avatar, and we'll just connect the wallet. Just select the wallet, enter our password, just select the account. The wallet address is connected, the balance is there, and we just hit the sign up button, and we'll be directed to the dashboard. In the same organization account, we'll just hit the sign up button as we have already filled these values, and I'll just change the password to 123 for the demo purposes. As you can see, we have entered into our dashboard, which is organization dashboard. And this is our user dashboard where you can see all the financial and your recent funds received. Now I will just move to the organization dashboard and add employees to our organization. So you can see, as there are no employees currently, I will just add employees and just check the user email and add him to the organization. So I'll just add the user or the employee which we have created. So this is the employee which we want to add to our organization. We'll just check if this exists in our system. If it exists, we'll just click the add user, and you can see the user has been added. So we can just see we have just created the user, and it is added into our organization. So now we'll just create a payroll. As you can see, there are no payrolls currently. We can just create a payroll. Before moving to payroll, we just need to fund our contract, which is our smart contract. For this, we'll just select. We will just firstly connect the wallet. Uh, After connecting, we can just add the amount. I'll just want to transfer 1,111 ETH. I'll just click on deposit, and it will trigger a function from the smart contract, and we'll just send the uh, amount to uh, our smart contract. So once the amount is updated, we can see it in our deposits. As you can see, the deposited amount can be seen here, and the token which we have created, and the time. Then moving on further, we'll just create a payroll. So we have multiple options. We can create payrolls for any user or any employee you want. So this is a B2B SaaS application, then we can just add do it for employees. So suppose I have the employee which is an intern. I'll just create a payroll for intern, pick the date I want to transfer his monthly salary. So it would be 10th of October. uh, if I want to send it to him on the 10th of October, I'll just select it 10. The type of payment, which would be recurring payment, or you can just choose the one time payment. For now I'll just choose a recurring payment, and just I'll select the user and enter the amount I want to transfer to him every month, and the token to transfer. You can add any amount of payrolls by clicking this button. Then as you can see, the payroll has been initiated, and we can just approve it, and the payroll has been created. And we are running the cron jobs by using these functions for setting the recurring payments and for transferring the money to the user. Now we can see the payroll has been added. We can just go to add payroll, see the details, the recurring payment type, and it is still active. It will get paid to user on 10th. For now I'll also demonstrate you a one time payment, which would be for some other employee. Just pick today's date, uh, then the one time payment, and just select the John Doe. It will just take the amount as 11, the token to transfer, and we just uh, create a one time payroll. As you can see, the transaction pop-up has been approved, and we just approve the transaction, and the transaction has been confirmed. Now we'll just move to the user dashboard, and we can just see the payments he has received. But before moving further, we'll just see which organizations user is added to by clicking on organization joined. You can see the organization joined is Interstellar on the date on this date, and we can just see the amount deposited or received by the employee. So these were the payments. These one is pending as he will receive it on the desired date, and this is the one time payment which he has already received. So this was all about RecurrPay, and we highly want to collaborate with Fuel to make it further a better opportunity in the Fuel ecosystem. And we really look forward for getting in contact with Fuel ecosystem. Thank you.